Hello, Pinky's one-offs here. This is Pinky and this is my one-offs. I am working on the the little bomber, the Honda Civic. I call it the little bomber. I mixed up my own army green. I just used this yellow, a lemon yellow, a cheap yellow, and a cheap black. Just like a natural, like a flat black. Sorry. And I came up with this kind of a army green. This is salt. I'm going to be doing small spots of rust on it because I can't leave things alone. But I tried the salt one last time. It didn't work out for me. So this is my second time trying it in my life. And I don't know how it's going to work out, but I'm going to see. But that's just a small update on the little Honda. That's the Army Green. Ooh. Take care, guys, and enjoy your rest of your week. And this is underneath. Take care.